نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير صدق الله العظيم. My dear respectable teachers and listeners and the chief guest of this holy ceremony, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, today I stand before you with a heavy heart, compelled to address the pressing and poignant issue that is ongoing situation in Palestine and about Masjid Aqsa. Dear friend, a prayer in masjid is 1,000 lakh more reward. Abu Darda radiallahu anhu relates that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, a prayer in Kaaba is 1,00,000 times more reward. And a prayer in my masjid, I mean that in Masjid Nabawi, is more 500 times more reward. And a prayer in Masjid Aqsa is more 150,000 times more reward than anywhere else. Dear audience, it's a matter that transcends borders and resonates with the collective conscience of humanity. In the heart of the Middle East, a land marked by rich history and cultural diversity, we witness the enduring struggle of the Palestinian people. Families torn apart, homes destroyed, and lives shattered by conflict that seems to persist with no end in sight. It's a stark reminder of human cost of geopolitical tension. The fight for the Palestinian goes beyond politics. It's a tale of resilience in the face of adversity. A story of a people who have endured displacement, occupation, and the origin of basic human rights. It's a narrative that compels us to question the fundamental principle of justice and empathy. As we watch the news unfold and witness the suffering of innocent civilians, we must not succumb to indifference. Our shared humanity demands that we extend our compassion to those who bear the brunt of geopolitical complexities. The cries for peace in the region cannot be drowned off the nose of geopolitical rhetoric. Let us acknowledge the urgency of a just and lasting solution that respects the rights and aspiration of both Palestinian and Israelis. The cycle of violence must be broken, and a path towards reconciliation and coexistence must be forged. It is incumbent upon the international community to work collaboratively towards a comprehensive and equitable resolution. In our interconnected world, the struggle for justice in Palestine is not an isolated concern, but a reflection of our shared commitment to human rights and dignity. Dear audience and guests, we must stand together and advocating for a future where the children of Palestine can grow up in an environment of peace, free from the shadow of conflict. In conclusion, let us not forget that statics or complexities are real people, mother, father, children who yearn for a future of hope and stability. Our collective responsibility to exemplify their voice and work towards a world where the term peace in the Middle East is not just a distant, it's not just a distant aspiration, but a lived reality. Thank you for listening me comprehensively.